Welcome to my videos. It's been a while, and we're playing we playing Minecraft. Looks, sheep, choopy, out of my way. Okay, now we will do some fun things. So this is my second recording. So let's do this. If you're curious, this is a building. If you know Fairy Tail, I'm making a guild. It's called Cyclones. So like Fairy Tail. If you want a roleplay, please say in the comments. Sorry about my speech because I'm nervous always. If a lot of people listening, at least 5. So if you want to a roleplay, comment. And if you don't like roleplay, like a normal, like if you know the DDM, like that, like you roleplay, but it's not a roleplay. Like you always, this is a hangout always. If you want to join this guild, please like and comment. I will put you in the wall of guild. Like right here, I will put here. Right here or outside. So now I will make a tour. Tour of the world of Fairy Tail. Or my surroundings. I'm just move in and so I make a bar and I make a lot of money. Love juice, but I'm still delivering food. I don't have food yet, just drinks. So I'm just waiting for food. Let me show you some regular customers. Say hello, TL. For his real name is Tag Life. That's weird. But his name Tag Life. And who's this? Oh, Isaac. Hello. How are you? How about your pigs? How are there? There. You don't speak. You're just silent. Stupid Isaac. And here's that in white clothes. Are you a librarian? A librarian? I can pronounce words. I can pronounce words. Ah! Okay. Snap out of this. Snap out of this. Okay. What's your name? Josie. Oh, it's you, Josie. I'm sorry about that. Thank you for the books. Okay, you don't speak either. So this the bar, not a bar, just a food restaurant like that. And I'm selling a horse. Ah, but if that bad frame rate. Sorry about the frame rate. I'm too laggy. Okay, this is my first horse that I'm selling. Okay, they don't have a price yet, but I will put a price. And this horse is good. I will put high price on this horse. And a white stallion. That it's like a limo, white stallion. And That's brownie. It's not for sale. That's that's like a pet. Like a part of my guilt. My family. That's weird. So it's this building is cheap. Cheap. I always buy cheap things. And this is the job list. Job list. Let's see the job list. I will do this in the future, but let's see. Okay, harvest and replant a farm. Reward. Wow, 50,000. That's good. Okay, protect BJ for 1 day. Oh, wait, you mean BJ? Wow, that he's famous. Him paying a lot of yours. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay, okay, okay. So that's it. I know it's a short one. I in my first video it's super short, at least a 1 minute. If you want me to do this more, just leave a like and subscribe. And goodbye. Before goodbye, I want to third person view because almost all of the YouTubers do this. I don't know why, but I kind of like it. I have interviews. Wow. And so leave a like and subscribe and goodbye. Dun, 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 dun.